What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another Vlogmas. I know I have no lashes. We're gonna fix that very soon. I actually did not vlog yesterday. Let me tell y'all a quick little story. I was good all Thanksgiving because that was the last vlog that I posted, was actually Thanksgiving Day. I was good. We were at Ray's auntie house, and then I literally just like broke down the way home, cried the whole way home. Cried when I got home, to the point where yesterday when I woke up, my eyes were so, y'all, they still kind of look a little puffy, but when I woke up, they were like swollen. So I did not vlog all day yesterday. I just was not in the mood, and I had a freaking headache. I had a splitting headache when I woke up yesterday morning, so I just left it alone. I did not even get out the bed. I woke up with a headache. I ended up eating, went back to sleep. I did go and I went to film some content at a local bar in Milwaukee called Shanghai. It's like a hidden speakeasy. You literally have to go to a secret door and press a button and tell them a passcode to get in. It's super cool. They have all these really cool cocktails. Their cocktails are strong too. So if you don't like to waste money, if you drink to get fucked up, you know, with all that cutesy stuff, you definitely want to go there. I had an espresso martini, which was super good, and at least go to. It was really, really good. And then they had a drink called the Glinda, which is inspired by Wicked, of course. And it had edible glitter on top. I'm going to insert some pictures. It had edible glitter on top and everything like that. So I have to make a reel for them to post on Instagram anytime soon. I don't know what day yet because me and the girl haven't set a day, but yeah, it was really nice. We just went there, me and Ray, and then came back home, ate dinner, went to sleep. I was crying because, I mean, I feel like a lot of people know by now, but my dad passed away almost 3 years ago, and holidays just really don't, I don't know. I really hate holidays, especially this time of year, because he died 6 days before Christmas. Like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? That's so childish. I was doing good, and then I literally just out of nowhere broke, and I could not stop crying. Like, I could not stop crying. It was most definitely probably the liquor, but like, I just could not stop crying. I have literally been editing all morning. I did a really cute video for my friend for the Friendsgiving that y'all saw me at the other day. I was vlogging there. She hired me to do like content for her at the event. So I just finished editing her video, sent that over. Now I think I'm about to make me a Vlogmas intro. I was supposed to do this the other day and I said fuck it, but I got a little bit of time, so I think I'm gonna do that. I have to leave here by 1:30 and it's 12:15, so I'm gonna hurry up and make me a little Vlogmas intro. Part of it I'm gonna use Canva to do because I want some cute like Santa Claus edits and stuff like that, and I'm gonna let y'all just watch me. I kind of have an idea what I want to do, and it's gonna be pretty simple. I just haven't decided if I want to use a photo of me or not in there, or if I just want to have the words Action Jackson Vlogmas. So I'm about to make a couple graphics on Canva, and then we're gonna put it all together. I think I want to use that one song with Kelly Clarkson. I mean, obviously by now y'all already know which song I chose because y'all have been watching my vlogs for 4 days, or you better have been watching my vlogs for 4 days. So we're gonna pick. I'm gonna listen to the instrumental of both, and then we're gonna see. We'll change this to red. No, baby, I need you to be red. There we go. Red. And then we're gonna get our pictures. Not that one. Yeah, we're gonna use that one. Might crop the tree a little bit. Okay, so we got this, and it's literally just the 3 pictures with the bars and the red bars in the middle. All I'm gonna do is get a rectangle element. Rectangle, make it the same color red and make it big. Then change the opacity. Put it at like 50 so you can still see me in the back, you know, a little bit. That honestly should be it that I really want or need, like special elements. Like, I want it to be really simple. It's not gonna be a long intro because y'all are gonna hear it over and over and over. This is gonna be like the beginning one, like the first one you see when it comes on. I'm trying to make sure I actually like this snow effect that's like in the background. Or I could just go with that. Okay, let me see. So now I'm done, I think, with all my graphics. We're going to leave it at that. Something real simple, something real cute. Add it all together with the music. We're going to see what it's looking like. It's 12:45. I have 45 minutes still until I go. So I'm going to add the Santa right here. And you can remove the background on CapCut. So it should remove all this green. Hopefully, it only removes the green. No, see, and then sometimes it does it stupid. So now I have to go in and chroma key it. I'll do it by color. Alright, y'all. So I literally, by the hairs on my chinny chin chin, I am a little late because I just like had to get that intro done. Had to get it done. I finished it. I think it came out really cute. Very, very cutesy. I look so crusty. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on. When we on the way to my lash appointment, obviously I didn't need to show y'all the intro because y'all been watching it this whole entire time. But I'm really proud that I got that done. I'm going to my lash appointment. And then your girl is gonna come back home, edit a little bit. I honestly would go to the mall after my lash appointment. It all kind of depends. So like I told y'all, oh, I need my car to shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Jesus. I look a freaking mess. It's okay. I'm gonna be cute after my lash appointment. I told you guys that I'm hosting a fashion show tomorrow. And I'm honestly still confused on what I'm supposed to wear because the host that I'm hosting with doesn't seem to want to dress up. He wants to wear Timbs. He keeps saying he's going to wear Timbs and jeans and a flannel shirt. That's not giving fashion show to me. That's really not giving fashion show to me. So I'm trying to convince this man to dress, you know, a little bit nicer, a little bit cuter. But I don't think he's going for that. So I have no idea what I'm going to wear tomorrow because I was kind of basing my outfit off of his. And I thought it was more so going to be like a dressed up event. So I was thinking, you know, heels, dress, XYZ. But if you're not coming like that, I'm not coming like that. Because then we just going to be looking stupid as hell. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm about to do about that. But I don't know. I messaged him. I DM'd him. He still did not DM me back. Thanks a lot, Reggie, if you're watching this. But we'll figure it out. But I'm not going to waste my time or my money. So I'm just going to come back home after my lash appointment. So I can edit a little bit more. And that's just going to be that.
She said first thing first, I'ma show you what I'm worth. You gon' put it where it hurt. How you touching every nerve, baby, show me how it works. Oh yeah, I'ma give you what you need. Oh yeah, dug it till you bark and scream. Oh yeah, I just want someone to love you, then show me what was wrong. Fuck me till I fall asleep.
Make sure y'all book my lash tech. So cute. I look alive again. I was looking like a naked mole rat. Period. I get a 13 to 17. Oh. I mean 10. You're right. This is a 10 to 13 cat eye. So it's 10 in the inside and it get longer as you go out. Super duper cute. And if you book her and tell her I sent you, you save $10 on any full set. Period. Yeah, that's cute. Yeah. So book Trinae and tell her Katie sent you. Okay, first of all, it's cold as fuck out here. Second, we are about to go to the grocery store. I told y'all me and Ray about to remake some Thanksgiving food because we didn't really get a full, you know, razzle dazzle. We barely got any yams or macaroni, so we just want to redo it. And and just make a little bit more food. So I'm just about to make some macaroni and yams and some smothered chicken. I kind of want green beans, but I don't feel like stopping to go get turkey necks, so probably not gonna make any of those. We'll change of plans now because Ray has decided he wants to invite all his goddamn friends to my house. I guess I gave him something to do while I'm editing, but really just blew me, so now I have to cook extra for other people. And just realized the chicken that I took out of the fridge was chicken wings and not chicken thighs. So I thought I was about to make smothered chicken with the chicken thighs, and those are chicken wings. So I'm not frying the chicken before I might still be able to. I might buy another pack of wings, like a smaller pack. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the tips off and just use them. Because, baby, I'm like, what's the point of buying chicken? I will have to buy a whole huge pack of chicken thighs. Or, yeah, no, I'm just gonna make these wings, boo. We're gonna make these wings do what they do, boo. And we're gonna just do it like that. But right now, I'm at Aldi's. Just put up, got my quarter, boo. You know I don't play with my quarter. And we're gonna hurry up and go in here, get all that we can for cheap. I usually come to Aldi's for like my vegetables, heavy cream, milk, all the cheaper stuff. And they do sell Gouda cheese in here that I'm gonna get for my mac and cheese. But then like all the certain stuff, like I like a certain brand of noodles. Aldi's, I don't be getting everything at Aldi's. I just get certain stuff because it's cheaper than going to Pick and Save. Oh, I will take that. Yes. No. So I'm back at home. I didn't take it on the grocery store because it was just wobbling around and shaking in the cart, and it was just irritating me. So yeah, didn't take it on the grocery store. I'm back at home, and I am about to start prepping, cooking. I'm gonna leave my sweet potatoes on the side because I'm not gonna peel them yet. I'm about to put some of these in the fridge just in case they want one. So I'm gonna use a knife and I'm gonna cut off the wing tips of the chicken and then put the chicken in the bowl so we can clean it. All you gotta do is open that little flap up. You're gonna put your knife right here and slam it down. You get your little wing ding right here. That's where you open it up. You're gonna put the knife right here, right in that little crease. Ow, 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 ow. And chop her little shit off, you know? Now, this part is controversial, and I don't really know why, but I clean my chicken with limes and some vinegar. So, get you some white vinegar. I'm about to add a little water to this bowl. I pour some vinegar over the top. Add the water. And I just go over. I try to get every piece of chicken. Do I know for a fact that I'm grabbing every single piece of chicken? No. But we gonna try. And then just run some more water. Just do it over one more time. So now I'm about to season. The chicken is all dried. I just add a splash of olive oil just to get everything able to stick. We're gonna use some Slappy Mama, of course. Of course. Then I put in some Tony's, some black pepper. I do not, obviously I don't, ooh, it's not. Obviously, I don't measure my seasonings, baby. I go into the ancestors, tell me to stop. Amen, okay? And what y'all hear in the background is my dishwasher, so I apologize. If you ain't sneezing and you ain't seasoning, okay? That's some onion powder, and gonna add some garlic powder as well. I really don't want to use my hand, but that's gonna be the best mix that you're gonna get. Okay, yeah. Keep mixing them up. I want everything to be like evenly coated. That's how I want to look though. All that goodness. Yeah, I need that on all of them. Go ahead and cover this up and put it in my fridge. I just covered it with this cutting board so I don't gotta waste no aluminum foil. I am about to boil my water or chicken broth for my noodles, and then I'm also going to cut up my onions, my peppers, and yeah, we'll do that. I'm gonna put some music over the top, cause yeah.
Pop that pill, needed something I could feel. I've been thinking about you all day. Ask what's real, I don't really know the deal. I can tell you what my heart say. Switching up the tone, we in public or alone, it don't matter cause it's all vague. Eyes on you when it's just us two, give a fuck what they all think. You the one that I can't even loan. Flirt with titles till I make you mine. They say God is always in the love. If it's lust, they say let's divine. Second chances I've been counting up. I know we be losing track of time. I don't care, it's us against the world. Long as I got you by my side, I'll be alright, we taking time with this. Looking you in your eyes, I'll be surprised when we ain't trying to kiss. Feelings that I can't hide, I won't deny it. You I always miss. Looking you in your eyes, don't be surprised if I would die for this. Long as you by my side, I'll be alright, we're taking time with this. Looking you in your eyes, I'll be surprised when we ain't trying to kiss. Feelings that I can't hide, I won't deny it. You I always miss. Looking you in your eyes, don't be surprised if I would die for this. Hold my hand in the dark room, I'll be lost here without you. Tryna dance to the down groove, arm wrapped around you. Wanna bounce, show me how to. Wanna love, show you how to. Steps that I count to, on this path that we walk through. Wonder what it all amounts to. Dance till we can't move, love like we can't lose. Long as you by my side, I'll be
This? Oh yeah, my bad. You can pick whichever one you want.
Right?
Oh, I forgot this is right here. Yeah, this all Ray friends.
Fire.
You eat yams and chicken?
I'll come back for sure.
We got back yams, chicken and rice.
Oh, this is the two vlog.
Yeah.
On the guys, I'm on this month. Videos ain't gonna do it. Y'all just have to be here to eat this. I ain't gonna lie.
You are here to people.
They eat that here, my way. Eat the bone.
No, it's bell peppers in the chicken.
Oh.
That green stuff. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We all ate. Ray friends left. I just went upstairs editing because tomorrow is like the first official day of Vlogmas. It's December 1st. So I'm trying to make sure my video is all set to go. My thumbnail, everything. I do have a busy day tomorrow with the fashion show that I'll be hosting. But I'm going to bring y'all along with me, of course. So yeah, I need to make sure this video is ready so it can be uploaded. I don't got to worry about nothing. Tomorrow we host the fashion show. And yeah, I had a good night. Was out with some good food. Ray, best friend, talking about some. He gonna ask Ray, so you eat like this every night, huh? No, he does not. But it's always so funny. I love watching people try my cooking. They all seem to like it. But yeah, I'm about to finish editing this video and go to sleep. I'm already tired. As you can tell, I'm already tired, but we gotta keep going. We gotta start off strong for Vlogmas. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I know I look crazy, but I will see you guys tomorrow, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.